Hey everyone! If you're trying to generate AI voices but keep getting hit with that annoying, unusual activity detected error on Elevenlabs, today I'm showing you the most effective way to clear those specific blocks directly through your Chrome settings so you can get back to creating. Let's fix it. Step 1. Open Chrome settings. First, launch Google Chrome on your desktop. Head to the top right corner and click the 3 vertical dots. From the menu, click on Settings to open your browser's control panel. Step 2. Clear general browsing data. Before we target Elevenlabs specifically, we need a clean slate. Click on Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. Select Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to All Time. Ensure Cookies and other site data is checked, then click Delete Data. Step 3. Navigate to third-party cookies. Now, staying in the Privacy and Security tab, scroll down and click on Third-Party Cookies. This is where Chrome manages the deeper site data that often triggers security flags in AI tools. Step 4. Search for Elevenlabs data. Scroll down until you find See All Site Data and Permissions and click it. In the search bar at the top right, type in Elevenlabs. This will filter the list to show only the data and cookies specifically related to their platform. Step 5. Delete Elevenlabs cookies. Next to the Elevenlabs entry, you'll see a trash bin icon. Click that icon to delete all stored cookies and site data for Elevenlabs. A confirmation box will appear. Simply hit Delete. Now restart your browser, log back into Elevenlabs, and your unusual activity error should be completely resolved. By removing these specific site-level cookies, you've forced the Elevenlabs security system to reset your session. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.